Have you tried exfoliation on your scalp? Scalp exfoliation can change everything and support new growth. For oily, flaky, or inflamed scalps, this is a fantastic rinse. Combine 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and a few drops of rosemary or tea tree oil into the scalp. Leave in 5 to 10 minutes, rinse, and shampoo. For oily scalp or buildup, do this once a week. For a dry scalp and buildup, combine 1 tablespoon brown sugar or Himalayan salt to remove any debris, 1 tablespoon aloe vera to soothe the skin, and 1 teaspoon of jojoba or pumpkin seed oil to nourish the follicles. Massage into the scalp with your fingertips, not your nails, for 3 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. For dry or sensitive scalp, do it every 2 weeks. And if you use a lot of styling products, you'll want to do this 1 to 2 times a week. These clear debris, calm inflammation, and improve circulation naturally.